Yeah, it's me, boy, Youngest James. I'm back on my shit right now. And it's some solo dolo rap shit right quick that I wanna let y'all hear. Okay.
Keep my mind footwork, you already know.
Hold it back to the trap, and these niggas see I rap, and they try to say I'm whack, but the haters on the map, yeah, they don't like me. I don't like them either. Keep them gorillas with that hot shit like jungle fever. How you feel me now? How you like the best? I'm adding up figures, just like a math test. He can't punch the time, that's about it. Need 3D goggles just to watch me spit. I'ma whip 'em up, I'ma grip the grain. Smoking on that fire like propane. 24 a game, 23 the best. Tell these niggas I'm the best, no contest. Flyer than the rest, I'm on my icy shit. Catch me first class on a hybrid. He don't wanna see what's next. Rip the text, bring the best of the best, and consider them the rest unless ha. Okay, I'ma catch my breath right quick. Shout out to my man Shawnee Sean, my nigga Dan the man, Trey Deuce. We out here grinding every day. Ha. ODH 5th gang, baby. Yeah. Solo missions, dolo moves. How you gon' stop me? Cause I can't lose. You know it's that rules. It's the money talking. Iced out, so my chain just got the walking. You steady hawking, she ready too. Got these bitches stuck like gum.
Keep my mind footwork, you already know.
They feeling me, they bobbing now. Young nigga with a DMV flow style. They go wild,